Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a Oppo features how to use RAM expansion in Android phone. This is Android virtual RAM. So the RAM expansion is very good. If you have a RAM that more than 6 or even 8, and also you have a ROM or free storage, you can create your free storage on your hard disk on your phone to become RAM. So all you have to do is just search about phone first, and as you can see, the RAM is 8 GB plus 3 GB. The plus 3 GB here, it means the RAM expansion that I can use is 3 GB here. So when enough storage space is available, you can use part of it to expand your RAM. Here, if you don't if you don't want to, you turn off, but if you want to, you can turn on up to 5 GB on my phone. So if you feel your phone is laggy and when you're playing game is not enough, you can use this virtual RAM expansion feature. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.